So what is up guys, it's me Shan here and you're watching Tech by Shan. In this video I want to show you how you can number bulk images. Like you have like thousands of images. Right now I have like more than 19 images. So if I press Control and then press A, okay, right now. So what I will do, press F2, then I will say I will press 1. So I just want to have a numbers. So as you can see, numbers are okay, 1 2 3, but there is a one extra number to each picture. Okay, so what we have to do, we want to remove that one. So हमें वो रिमूव करना है. कैसे करना है मैं आपको बताता हूँ कि आप इन सारी पिक्चर्स को एक जो नंबरिंग होती है वो प्रॉपर कैसे दे सकते हैं. ये नहीं है कि आपको साथ में एक नंबर ये भी ये भी. So don't have to be, you know we don't need to have an extra number on each image. So if I press Control and then press A, again press F2, all you have to press right now only space and then press enter. As you can see, 1 to 19. All right, so I thought why not make a video on this one, so maybe you like it. So if you really like it, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the subscribe button, and also press like the video, and also I will see you in the next video. By the way, I'm just a bit confused because because I'm making a video on my different channels. That's why I thought why not make a technical video. Anyway, see you in the next video. Bye bye, take care.